Well, we're camping tonight. Got my sling bag and air mattress and some clothing. It's supposed to be cold. Tonight we're not going to a bivouac to get technical support. Shane and I have to look at the truck, make sure nothing's busted, and then fix what we can and then keep going the next day. So it's like 450 kilometers today, and tomorrow's another 350, I think, or 375. So it's a bit of an endurance. We rolled in pretty late last night, about 1:30 a.m. None of us really slept. These guys have not slept at all. It's a killer team effort. Everyone's putting their time in, trying to make sure that we're successful. Well, we're going to just make sure that we get through the stages, take it easy, don't crush the truck. We're ready. We're excited for some camping tonight for the refuge. Now you can watch Shane and I for the next 9 hours doing this all day. I'm pretty sure I've lost brain cells during this race, just smoking my head on these things. Good morning, Shane.
Good morning.
This is from inside the tent at the refuge camp, and they provide, the organizers give us a tent, a sleeping mattress, and a sleeping bag. This is our food box here. There's some light, you can see it. So I'd call this a rations box maybe, and then today I got some breakfast cereal. And I got some snacks and stuff for the car today, so it's gonna be a good day. A little less kilometers today, about 370 of special, so that's gonna be good. The only thing I am worried about is we came a long ways down. Like, I've never gone downhill for that long, and it was in the dark, so I can't see around us, but I don't remember going uphill as much as going downhill. My worry is we're in a valley and we have to drive in sand uphill, which I think is going to be punishing. I don't know. We'll see how today goes, but I hope you guys are having a good time watching, and very lucky to be here. I don't know. How are you?
My God, congratulations.
Thank you.
Have you noticed any difference today arriving to this bivouac?
Yeah, it's weird. I can see some stuff. I see people. There's light. Yeah.
And there's daylight.
It's weird. Yeah.
It's daylight.
Usually
That's
dark.
It's dark.
But
well, Ray, you've done a great job.
Hey, nice to see you, guy.
Good job.
Yeah, it feels like it's slowly coming together, and teams are really like gelled. It's nice. Everyone's doing what they need to do, and we're doing what we have to do, and you know, we're just pushing to finish. That's it.